And welcome to this new lecture. My name is Mustafa, and in this lecture we'll continue setting up our blog. So go to setting, basic. You need to write a description for your blog. So I'm going to show you what the description looks like. Let's go to google.com and let's type just a random keyword, for example Udemy, and we will see what the description looks like. In the SERP or search engine result page, you see the title of the page, the URL, and the description. This is the description that will be shown on the page, on the search engine page, if somebody types the keywords related to your blog. So put something that is 150 characters or less, and include the main keyword of your blog. For example, if your blog is about let's say online courses, so put online courses. Of course, you don't want to just randomly type in the keywords, but you want to include those in descriptive sentences. So let's say, for example, this blog, something like that. Then click save. Next, you want to click on post, comment, and sharing, and you want to activate the share to Google Plus option. So auto share new published post to your Google profile, click yes, and save changes. Next, you want to set up the time zone, the language preferences, and other preferences such as the timestamp, the data header format. You choose those depending on your zone, on your preferences. And this is what is more important. You want to copy the same description you wrote before in your basic settings here. So enable the search description, click yes, and just copy paste the description that you put here. Okay, edit, select yes, paste your description here, and save. For the custom page not found option, we will look into that later. And custom redirects, don't use that unless you know for what reason. Next, for the search console, we'll look into that in the last section of this course. And for the custom robot.txt, we will look into that also later on. Here is what you want to start with right away. For the custom robot header tag, select yes and choose the options that I'm going to show you. For the home page, select all, no ODP. For the archive and search page, select no index, no ODP. And for the default for post and page, select all and no ODP. Don't mess with these options because you don't want to negatively impact your visibility on search engines. Just select the options as I'm showing you here and click save. The last thing you want to set up is to use your Google Plus profile, or if you prefer Blogger profile, you can go with that. Create a Blogger profile and select it here. But for me, it's better to use the Google Plus profile. Select that here and save the settings. That's it. This is the basic setup you want to put on your blog. In the next few lectures, I'm going to show you how to get a cheap domain for your blog and how to link your blogger to your custom domain. Thanks for watching. See you.